How to fix can't download threads. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix can't download threads. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you are connected in a very fast internet, because if your internet is weak, then you won't be able to download anything. After you have fixed your internet, head over to Play Store or App Store depending on what device you have. So just click on that, and then from in there click on search, and then click on threads and search for threads right there. So if you see this logo right here, this the logo of threads, then you should be able to see a get or install button. And after that, just click those button, and then this will load for a while and download the app, and you should be able to see the open button, which means that you have successfully downloaded threads. But if you can still see it, then what you need to do is you just head over to your browser, search for threads app, and then search for that, and then scroll down. You can see a link from Google Play that will redirect you to the threads app. If you're on iOS, you will also see a link from the App Store that will direct you to the app that it is. So just click on those links, and this will direct you to the specific page of that app. As you can see, it's redirected it to mine. Then if you can still download threads, then that just means that your country is not available yet on threads. So if we head over to this article, these are only the countries that are available on threads. If your country is not there, then you should not be able to download threads, and you just need to wait it out until threads is available to your country. Then the last reason that maybe you can download thread is your Instagram account. So if you have threads on your Instagram, but if you can't open it, then this means that your Instagram is banned, and you need to fix the ban issue on your Instagram first before heading over and downloading and opening your threads account. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix, download, or threads. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.